Welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy and this is our development series where we focus on developments taking place in Montego Bay, Jamaica and across the world. If you are interested in these types of videos, don't forget to hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe. In the next few days, I will be sharing 2 videos about the Montego Bay bypass. I actually caught them doing some construction work at the Sign Irwin Main Road section of the bypass, and I was able to capture that. So I have that to share with you guys, and of course I will give you some updates as well while I'm sharing that. And there was another section of the leg that I was able to capture as well, and I think I will share that in a separate video. So look out for those 2 videos in the next few days. While I'm sharing with you these 3 updates, I also want you to take a look at these images. While walking throughout Montego Bay sometime this week, I noticed a few changes and I wanted to capture them for you. So I have sprinkled them across this video. So this is just a short update for you. Now let's get into it. Number 1. Apparently, there are plans afoot to launch Jamaica's first culinary academy at the Montego Bay Convention Center. This was announced by the Tourism Minister, Edmund Barnett. Now, the academy will train sous chefs leveraging the convention center's top-notch kitchen. Bartlett also revealed plans for a sous chef development program in collaboration with local hotels, the American Culinary Federation, and the Jamaica Center of Tourism Innovation. The program will pair 6 local chefs with 25 candidates, each for 6 months of mentorship, followed by overseas training. Additionally, Bartlett mentioned the impending establishment of a tourism entertainment academy. I think I did an update on this a few months ago. Yes, so the Tourism Entertainment Academy to equip talents with industry-specific skills. He emphasized utilizing Jamaica's abundant talent pool rather than seeking external faculty. And you know, so we're well talented for true. With designs finalized, the Entertainment Academy is poised for swift implementation. So what do you think about these planned developments? Both the Entertainment Academy, which, as they said, designs are finalized already, so obviously they're going to go ahead with that. Do you think it's a good idea? And what do you think about the Culinary Academy? Is the Montego Bay Convention Center the perfect location for it? Do you believe that they'll put this into action, or are they just empty promises? Let us know what you think. Are they good ideas? And do you think that they will be going forward with these ideas? Moving on. Number 2. Caribbean Cement Limited saw a 15% jump in shares after posting record results, closing at $64.50 on Thursday, up from $57.60 on Monday, marked a 52-week high. First quarter revenue hit $7.6 billion, an 11.9% rise year on year, with net income reaching $1.9 billion, surpassing 2023's $289 million. Way past the 289. Wait, let me read that again. Rising year on year, with net income reaching $1.9 billion, surpassing 2023's $289 million. Damn. Okay, sorry. Earnings per share rose at $2.27. Cash reserves stood at $6.25 billion, and that's 3 times more than the previous year. Do you think that this increase in their shares, is it because of the construction boom? Moss? Let me know what you think in the comments. Number 3. East Bay Management, led by Kevin Hendrickson, has finalized the sale of the Holiday Inn Resort in Montego Bay, Jamaica, to Catalonia Hotels and Resorts. I hope I pronounced that correctly because I will be reading it about 3 or 4 other times in this script. Anyways, moving on. Hendrickson, who acquired the property in 2008, expresses pride in passing it to Catalonia effective July 1st, 2024. The resort will operate as a Holiday Inn until June 30th, 2024. Before we move on, is it me alone that anytime I hear like a 2008, 2011, 2007, it seems like just a few years ago, and it's like your mind can't really understand how many years have passed since 2008. Like, wait, 2000. Is that 16 years? Damn. Is that 16 years? 2008. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, alright, sorry, I have counting. Moving on. Hendrickson's focus now shifts to revitalizing other properties, including the former Wyndham Hotel in Kingston. Catalonia plans significant investments to align the resort with its standards while contributing positively to the local economy. With over 25 years in the Caribbean, Catalonia now boasts 4,000 rooms across the region and eyes further expansion in Jamaica. Of course, I want to know what you think about this. Am I going to get a lot of comments of people saying, oh my gosh, there are too many hotels in Jamaica? I'm actually working on a video to have that discussion, not necessarily about hotels, but more so, you know what, I'm not going to divulge what it is I'm working on until I'm closer to being finished. All right, so anyways, that's it for today. Remember to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe and share to show your support. I would appreciate that. And also look out for the next 2 videos that I will be putting out in the next few days about the Montego Bay bypass. I captured a lot of footage for you guys, so look out for that as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.